When transporting valuable cargo, reliability, safety, and performance are essential. At CIE Manufacturing, we build state-of-the-art intermodal chassis to meet the toughest industry demands. Let's explore the features that set our chassis apart. Safety comes first. Every CIE Manufacturing chassis is equipped with advanced ABS brakes to monitor RPM and braking pressure, ensuring superior control during sudden stops. Smarter braking means safer cargo and peace of mind. Our KTL powder coat paint system protects against flaking, rust, and corrosion, keeping your chassis durable and looking new for thousands of miles. It's built to endure the toughest conditions. Precision matters. Using advanced laser metal cutting, we craft every component of our container trailer for exact fit and strength, ensuring unmatched reliability on the road. Our intermodal container chassis features energy-efficient LED lights, providing superior visibility and reducing maintenance costs. At CIE Manufacturing, we light the way to safer journeys. Equipped with high-performance radial tires, our chassis delivers better fuel economy, durability, and handling under heavy loads, ensuring stability and efficiency with every mile. With robotic welding systems, every chassis is built with flawless strength and consistency. Precision manufacturing you can trust for even the toughest jobs. These features enhance operational efficiency, ensure the safety of your cargo, and protect the value of your investments. Experience the performance and durability of CIE Manufacturing's intermodal chassis. To learn more, go to CIEmanufacturing.com or call 877-711-0725. CIE Manufacturing, intermodal chassis engineered to last.